Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have another video on Windows Server and I am going to show you guys how to change your password policy. Now, as you know, you could basically manage how users on your network assign passwords. So you as a systems administrator will basically assign a default password until that user logs on, and then they'd have that ability to create their own password. However, you know, in this modern day, we typically, we still hold on to that traditional way of creating our passwords based on stuff about ourselves, which is actually pretty risky because you know the world of hackers today. So today I'm going to show you guys how to amend those policies. Okay, so to do so on your server, let's head over to run, so your Windows key and R, and you're going to type in gpmc.msc, right? And this is going to open up our group policy management. So let's open this into a full window, and let's widen this column over here. You're going to head over to domains, right here you're going to select domains, and from domains you're going to see default domain policy, and you're going to right click on this and you're going to select edit. Now group policy management editor will open up. You're also going to widen this screen and you're going to now go over to below computer management policies, and then let me widen on the column a bit more, and then you're going to head over to Windows settings, and you're going to head over to security settings, account policies, and password policy. So you're going to select it right here, and as you can see, I have set a rule of maximum password age of 32 days. So after 32 days users must change their password, and the minimum allowed password length would be 8 characters, and password complexity requirements. Password complexity requirements basically adds that it's mandatory for users to use special symbols and characters in their password, otherwise they won't be allowed to create this password. So this is actually a pretty good thing to use. However, on some deployments I have disabled this feature. However, it's not recommended. You also have, you want to change your password age. If you do not want to have that to 42 days, you can basically change it for as long as you want to. So we can do 122 days. This should be 4 or 5 months, and you're going to apply this, right? And then you're going to click OK. Now if you do so, after that you're now going to be able to if you head over to right here on your Active Directory users and computers, you will now be able to assign this rule will now be assigned to all of your users. So that's basically how it works. Pretty simple and pretty self-explanatory. This is the end of today's video. Pretty quick video for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'm pretty sure I helped you guys out. If I did, be sure to share the video, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Thank you again for watching my video. I will see you. Have a good one.